Project Jubilee, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Jubilee is painted in gloss Cornish cream with black accents. Jubilee sits on 18-inch 1983 style satin wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a G4 style gutter mounted roof rack, classic front bumper with worn winch, and 4 Hella 500 series lights up front. Inside, Jubilee features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a diamond stitch, Garrett Resilience Topaz and Resilience Black Quartz leather stitched together in beige. Jubilee is powered by our GM LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB charging ports throughout.